and learn how to use SMSbotLab. Let's go and click on this, and you see that you have widgets here. So what is a widget? So what you can do from here is you can use this widget to collect leads. So what you can do is you can change these things. Okay, you can change these things right here. So I'm going to change it to demo submit. Okay, thank you. Save settings, and once you do this, what's going to happen is you have this code here. You can copy and paste this code on any of your site, and then you'll be able to collect phone numbers from here. Okay, that's one way of collecting phone numbers. Let's go back to bots. Let's click on edit. Now this is where we can set up the bot. So let's go ahead and set it up. So you see the phone number here. So if you enable a human touch, it's going to respond back a couple seconds late, so it looks like it's real. Click on action, click on add a response. So I'm going to go ahead and do equals free. So when somebody is going to text you free, we want something to happen. So right now, so you have that. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and enable notification, so you get a notification when somebody texts free. You don't have to. Click on this bot logic 1. Now, so you can say question, right? Hey, thanks for reaching out. What is your name? Okay. So save a reply to name. Okay. So we've added a name. So we've asked a question, right? So we can use these tags here. Let's go click on this plus sign one more time. And then what we can do is we can ask another question if you want to, okay? Or we can go ahead and give them an answer. So I'm going to go ahead and we can do this like this, you know, so you will know their name, right? Or we can do this. Nice to meet you. What is your email? So you're going to go ahead and save the email here like this, as you can see. Okay, so let's try it. So I'm going to go ahead and text this phone number. So the bot is right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to use my phone. And then you can, whenever you text, whenever you go and text the word free equals free, right? So click edit. So if you were to, let's see, if you were to text this phone number saying free, what would happen? What would happen is it should, so if we were to text it free, it should ask you, hey, thanks for, I'm going to go ahead and once you text it, it should ask you, what is your name? I'm going to put Bob. I'm doing it on my phone on right now, okay? And then it should, okay? And then if I were to go to contacts, guess what? It's right here, okay? As you can see. And let's go back here. Let's go click on this. Make sure we have saved it as name, like this. And then we can also go ahead and click on this. And then we can ask more questions if we want to. So it's all up to you, okay? So you can see you can keep adding more questions and things like that. And then if you wanted to have more branches, you can. So for example, let's say, let me give you an example here. So this would be a question, right? So we can go back here. Your gender, okay? We can do this, okay? And then what we can do is this. Click on this, click on answer, put male, and then we can put plus answer female, okay? Now guess what? Okay, so I'm going to put gender, or you can select gender right here. Okay, so what's going to happen is it's going to say what's your gender. Now if they say male, it will go through, it's going to say, hey, what's up, man, right? It would say this, right? And if they say they're female, it would say, hey, girl, what's up? So As you can see, you can have different responses. The bot can go ahead and prospect for you like this. So get creative with this, okay? So that's how you use the bot. And all the contacts will be here. You can send a mass message by clicking here, bot. You can segment all people equals this, and you can send them all a message. You can schedule it here as well, okay? And you can have a conversation with them as like this. So test like this. You could also text them back and forth, and then if they text you back, you can also go ahead and they can respond as well. Super easy, very easy to use. Okay, so let's begin. And if you did schedule, let's say if we did this, if we were to do like 25th and say Merry Christmas, whatever, it would be like, let's say you want to send a message, right? So you'll do like this. Now it says use response, right? So you can go back to message, you can go back to bot, click on this, add a response. We can do let's see, we can do Xmas, right, like this, and then we can do Merry Christmas, nice day, like this, right? And then we can go to send a message. We can select this, we can select Xmas like this, and then like this. So it has one, it's gonna go and send this message here. You can schedule it from here like this on the 5th, like this, and you'll see it right here as well. So that's pretty much it. Super easy on how to use it. Now if you are our agency or reseller customer, you will see this feature here as well. If you don't have this feature, make sure you can contact us and we can upgrade you for a fee. Thank you so much for purchasing our product. Have a wonderful day.